Paswafo ya wɔhwɛ interior so Muntakamu Mohammed Mubarak Nenei wakopa Bono Regional Command the National Signals Bureau ɛho ntoma wɔ Sunyane nyina no ya ban ne nketesie ya wasi sɛ bambo ɛbɛkɔsi yɛ ɔman
Paswafo wɔ ne hwɛ afisɛm so ɔman mu Muntaka Mohammed Mubarak eni akwa National Signals Bureau fo wɔn mo atenaye ɛwɔ Bono mantam no emu a we wɔkyerɛ sɛ abɛnyɛ sinkite pa sɛ eni wɔbɛboa na ɔman bambo mu ensem wɔn mo atumi ayere mu pampe.
Sunyane and the Bono region as a center of trade, culture, deserves security mechanism that reflects its importance and that are tailored to meet the varying security threats prevailing within, including, among other things, armed robbery, cybercrime, chieftaincy dispute, farmer-herder conflict, smuggling across our borders, among others. This facility is therefore established to serve as a central hub for signals, intelligence, and will be leveraged by skilled professionals.
Ehona Director General of the National Signals Bureau, Dr. Atabwatin Enso Kasee HSN.
This commissioning forms an integral part of the Bureau's overarching strategic plan to retool, modernize, and invest in critical infrastructure to safeguard Ghana's digital security architecture. It also reinforces our collective resolve to confront the emerging and evolving threats of disinformation, misinformation, cybercrime, and threats that undermine public safety, national cohesion, and social well-being.
Nekrakra no Bono mantam so afotisi adeya kwaboa enso Kasee mu wade nsem wosi ene tudwa.
This is a landmark celebration or ceremony demonstrating our collective commitment to create safe and peaceful environment to propel socio-economic development in our beloved region. Nananom, this commissioning marks yet another milestone in government's determined efforts to strengthen Ghana's national security architecture